Hey guys, how's it going? It's Clippy here. I'm sick again, you guys. It sucks. But to show you these lights around the fence, it's pretty cool. I got like more lights in here. This whole garage is lights. Like, it's so awesome right now. Like, this garage is the place to be. And I've plugged in so many friggin' lights. It basically starts here with this power bar, and then it branches out across the ceiling to a bunch of other extension cords. I wired that lamp myself, and yeah, and then here there's like the same extension cord branches out over here to like a whole bunch of extra extension cords, and then more extension cords plugged into other extension cords. I don't know what the capacity is, but I'm thinking I want a spinning light here. I got this new dual spinning light action. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug this in and see if I can handle one more thing. And there appears to be a free slot over here, so... Oh, the big end goes that way. Okay, here we go. I want to plug this in, guys. Wish me luck. Plug.